Hi, this is Chris Carlton with Topcon, and today we're all doing an installation on a Tiger 50-foot model, and we are putting TDC, which is Tillage Depth Control, an automated solution for managing your tillage depth. So we're starting off today with installing breakout in the kits. We've got our manuals in front of us. This is using a manifold from the NORAC system. Our layout is, we have two layouts. Basically, one will have the fore and aft solution on top of the main manifold. We're doing just the main manifold setup that'll control the system up and down. And there's the valve coming out of the box. Go on to a site like tractordata.com to find out if your system is open or closed centered, and we'll match the valve to match your tractor. So we will be removing this valve here. It comes with the plug, basically this valve to actually put in your check valve to convert it over to being closed center, and that will match our solution. Some of the other components are laid out. Hoses all come set up. They're ready to be assembled. Quick couplers on it, your fittings are on it, nice and clean, rather easy. Just make sure everything's in there, open up your first install manual and get at it. So we're going to assemble the rest of this block, basically just put the hoses onto it, get it converted over to closed center here, and be able to get ready to install the harnessing on it, and then get this thing ready to rock.